Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use Google Sheets effectively and easily by using some shortcut methods. This is part 2 of shortcut methods to be used in Google Sheets. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Now the other ways, like the other shortcuts are, so this is the page, and if you want to do the copy thing, so that means, for example, you want this one name to be there in all the other columns. For that, what you'll do is just click on it, get to the chat head here, and after that click on Control plus D. If you do that, the name of the upper column will be the upper row will be there on the other one. So after correcting it, just go to this one, click on Control D, and as you can see, it has been repeated. Like, this name is here now, and then you can do this method for as many rows and as many columns you want to. So what we'll do is we'll select this whole thing. After we select the whole thing, we'll just click Control plus D, and as you can see, all these rows have been changed to the one name. Now click on this, select click on this, for example, choose the columns you want to select it for, Control D, and as you can see, it's like a copy pasting thing, but it's more easier because your hands are on the device, on the keyboard all the time, and you don't have to like go to the mouse and do all that mess. So you can easily do this method. You can easily use this shortcut instead. And if you can see, I have like undone the activities. To undone it, what you do is Control plus Z, as everybody knows. So when you type a Control plus Z, all the activities that you've been doing, and if you want to undone it, you can do it directly. And if you want to do it again, if you want to redo it, so you'll just do Control plus X, and all the activities will be redone again. Control plus Y actually. So when you do Control plus Y, all the activities will be done again. So these activities are being repeated. And when you do Control plus Z, all the activities will be undone. So these are some other mini shortcuts. Moving on from these shortcuts, when you click on Control plus A, you know that all the data will be selected. But if, for example, any of the data is here, like which is not in the table, that data won't be selected. So for that, you have to click on Control plus A 2 times so that all the data, including the data outside the table, is also selected. Now the other is Control plus C. So everybody knows, after Control plus A, Control plus C, go to the other sheet. For example, I'm going to this sheet, Control plus V, and all the data has been copy pasted here in this sheet automatically. Control plus A, Control plus C, and Control plus V, and you're good to go. All the data is here. Now there are 2 more methods, and these are very interesting methods because usually people don't know about it. So the first one is Control plus space. So, and what happens when you do it? So let's check it out. When you select an entry, like for example, I'm selecting this, and then Control plus space bar, the whole column has been selected. The whole column. Now, when you select this and when you click on Shift plus bar, sidebar, when you select on shift plus spacebar, the rows get selected. So to select specific columns and to select the specific rows, this is your daily shortcut method. So for example, I want to select this specific row. Let's get into another sheet to check it out. For example, I want to select this specific row. I'll just click on this, and I'll just click on this, and then from the keyboard I'll just click on shift plus spacebar. The whole row has been selected. To do it for the column, just go to control plus spacebar, and the column has been selected. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.